Peace, mercy and the blessing of Allah. The first specification, the models. In addition to the user model, auction listing, bids and comments, I add the watch list and category. And here it is, the models and the models in admin page. I will log in as Ahmed. And second specification, create listing. Here the title is that I copy pasted to save time. Okay, price 720, category electronics, and it's new. That's the description, and create. Okay. Number 3, active listing page. The home page of the site displays the active listing with the title here and the brief description, unit price and current price if it is a bid here. Okay, clicking on listing take you to the detail page. You can add the product to the watch list, it's already here, and remove it from watch list. Here it's removed. You can't place bid less than the price. Here 700. Okay, it's error message, and here I log in with Ahmed. I can place that bid, and I am the current bid here. Because of Ahmed creating the listing, he can close auction here. Before that, let's Ali place a bid here on that product. Okay, and he is the current bid now. Refresh. Okay, if Ahmed close auction here, Ali wins. Okay, and refresh Ali. Okay, here it is the message, Ali wins, and this is the price. Close the message and display it here. User can add comments. For example, here, hello friends. Okay, it's added here, and another users can also add comments on this listing here. Number 5, the watch list. I have that product in my watch list. Okay, and I can add another here. Go to watch list. Okay, I can display products with categories. Okay, here in fashion I have 3 products. Okay, number 6, Django admin interface. Here I can place a bid, add Ali, cordless. Okay, and Here, no bits yet. Refresh. It's added. And thank you.